We're now going to open up our Python files in Visual Studio Code so that we can edit and run them. So if you click over here, open, or you can go to File, Open, that works as well. And then you just navigate to our module. We're just going to open up this folder right here. Let's go ahead and click on that. You will see this message. It looks a little scary. Do you trust the authors of this file? This is just a little warning to make sure you're not executing some arbitrary code that got onto your system somehow. So if we click this box, then anytime we open up this Master the Fundamentals of Python folder, it will just open up the code and we can just say, I trust. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so you will see this little warning over here. If you're experiencing issues with the development environment, we will get to that in just a second. It will stay as a notification for now, so you can always get back that little message. So here are the files, and we can look at our code like this. Just click on one of them, Hello World. You can actually open up a notebook. So if you want to do that, you can open it up like this. You have to double click to kind of make it permanent. You'll see that it changes from a italic to just a normal font. So you actually can run notebooks through here, though I don't recommend it. So I'm going to exit out of that. We'll go back to Hello World. Here's our program right here. And if you just click inside, the documentation will pop up. So that is nice. So there are all these tools over here to help you with your programming life. So that's it. That's how you can open up a particular folder in Visual Studio Code, and then to open up a particular file, you can even open up notebooks as well.